The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe Georgia, southwestern Monroe County in central Georgia, Coweta County in west central Georgia, southwestern Fulton County in north central Georgia, until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:41 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorm located along a line extending from near Graham to near Union City, moving south at 60 miles per hour. At August. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Newnan, Carrollton, City of South Fulton, Peachtree City, Tyrone, Palmetto, Sonoy, Grantville, Bowdoin, Lothersville, Whitesboro. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-763-4446.
Friends. Call now for your free awning idea kit with local dealer info and $200 discount certificate.